Welcome back to Learning with a Difference School Morning Assembly Anchoring Script for National Unity Day, which is on 31st of October. So powerful is the light of unity that it can illuminate the whole earth. There are many stories as well as real life incidences have proved that unity always leads a harmonious and fulfilling life for all. And with this, heartiest morning to one and all present here. This is Meenakshi Chaudhary standing before you to present today's morning assembly. Happiness and misery are paper balls. Don't be afraid of death. Join the nationalist forces. Be united. Give work to those who are hungry, food to invalids. Forget your quarrels are the words of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel during Quit India movement. Dear all, it was Sardar Patel who put much efforts and rigorously promoted the idea of unity when India, our country, was split into princely states. Remembering Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel today, on 31st of October, India is celebrating National Unity Day or Rashtriya Ekta Divas. Before we start, let's we all together pay tribute to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and thank him for all the work he did in integrating India. And with this, let's start today's morning assembly with God's prayer and pray to God for our loved ones and all and pray for harmony and unity among people. Now everybody join your hands and close your eyes, start prayer. And after prayer and pledge, Sardar Patel's dedication, loyalty, struggle and sacrifice for the motherland inspires every Indian to dedicate himself for the unity and integrity of the country. And today we Indians are fully capable to meet all kinds of challenges, external and internal, due to his inspiration. Let's take more inspiration from his thoughts and words. I would like to invite on stage Preet Kaur from class 8 to share today's thought. Good morning everyone, my name is Preet Kaur. Today's thought is: faith is of no avail in absence of strength. Faith and strength both are essential to accomplish any great work. Thank you and have a nice day. Thank you very much, Preet Kaur. A lawyer was arguing his case in the court when he received a note that his ailing wife had passed away. Instead of rushing to be with his deceased spouse, the lawyer folded the note and carried on. The verdict was passed in favor of his client. Only after the proceedings came to an end did he inform everyone of the said news. No, who was this great lawyer? It was none other than the Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. And Patel was known for sacrificing his own happiness for the sake of others. Let's look back in the life of Sardar Patel. Let's know more about him. And next, I would like to invite on stage Riddhima from class 9 to deliver a speech. And after speech, thank you very much, Riddhima. We are indebted to Sardar Patel, the unifier of India, the Iron Man of India, for establishing a work culture based on morality and service to the nation. And National Unity Day was introduced by the Government of India in 2014 to pay tribute to Sardar Patel. This day is celebrated as National Unity Day not only to commemorate the birth anniversary of Sardar Patel, the architect of national integration of the independent India, but also to reaffirm the commitment of the citizen of India to uphold the security, unity and integrity of the country. And it's time of taking pledge. I would like to invite on stage Mr. Abhay sir for Rashtriya Ekta Divas pledge. And after taking pledge, thank you very much to all of you. Since 2014, India is celebrating this day on 31st of October every year to mark the birth anniversary of India's first Home Minister and also the first Deputy Prime Minister, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, known as Iron Man of India. Let's test our knowledge on Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel with a GK quiz. For this, I would like to invite on stage Sanyam from class 8. Thank you very much, Sanyam, for enhancing and increasing our knowledge. And after national anthem, and now today's assembly is over. Let us remember Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel with reverence, bow to him, emulate his admirable qualities, and promise to ourselves that we'll continue to work hard to keep our country together. And thank you very much to all of you for your cooperation. Have a nice day ahead.